Hey guys, it's Casey and welcome back to my channel. I look rough. Sis, I look rough, okay? Do you see this? What is happening? I don't understand, period. So I'm noticing my hair is very stubborn right now. Like, I did a wash and go and sis was a little flaky, but it wasn't the product because I did a wash and go with the product before and it was fine. My hair just wasn't taking product. My hair was frizzier than usual. Now, I don't mind frizz, but your hair speaks, okay? Your hair talks to you. Your hair lets you know what's going on. And my sis said, I need a reboot. I need you to start over. Bring it back and start it all the way over, okay? So I'm like, all right, I heard you, sis. I hear you. I'm gonna fix it. So today what we're gonna be doing is a Aztec Indian healing clay mask for my hair. So if you guys never heard of this, I've done this before. It literally is a magic for your hair and your face. So basically what happens is you apply this to your hair and it strips your hair from just like dirt and toxins and everything else that you just don't want in your hair. It pretty much just gives your hair a reboot. You will see your curls like you've never seen them before. Your hair will be completely cleansed. And that way, you know, you can kind of just start all over. You could start putting all your products and all your fun stuff on your hair and your hair will react better to it. So pretty much whenever you're seeing your hair is like being frizzier than usual or just not reacting the way you need it to react, maybe try doing this and you will notice a drastic difference. It's not expensive at all and you can purchase this on Amazon or you can get it like at like any type of like health related store, you know what I'm saying? And what I like to do is I like to mix it with apple cider vinegar. So what apple cider vinegar is going to do is going to help with the pH balance in your hair. I usually use the Bragg's one that has the mother, but I ain't got it. I ran out. And that was the best one because it has all like amazing, great goodness in it. But I ran out of it. It's raining per usual. You guys know I only film when it rains apparently. I don't feel like going outside. Honestly, y'all, I'm gonna be real with y'all. It's 4 minutes until 5 o'clock p.m. I slept until about almost 4 o'clock. I don't know what's going on with me. I'm just so exhausted. So I don't feel like going outside. But I do got this Walgreens version of apple cider vinegar. So we gonna hope it works. We're going to help this do the trick. So what we're going to do is we're going to mix these two products. We're going to apply it to my hair. And we're going to bring these curls back to life, okay? So before we begin, you guys already know what to do. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And turn on the notification bell so you're notified every single time I upload a new video. And let's go ahead and get started. So this is going to replace your shampoo. When you're doing this process, you do not need to shampoo. You can go ahead and jump in right into a deep conditioner and just finish off your wash day routine. So what I'm going to do first things first is I'm going to go wet my hair and just section it off in 4 sections, and then we can go ahead and start applying this. And then I'll show you guys what it looks like when I rinse it out. So this is obviously what my hair is looking like right now. She's a mess. I'm looking at my viewfinder and I'm like, what's happening? Girl, you look crazy. So I'm gonna go ahead and wet my hair and then we'll mix this bad boy up and show you guys how I do it. Be right back. All right, y'all, my hair is wet and I'm cold, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and start mixing up this Aztec clay and the apple cider vinegar. So I'm gonna put it just in this random plastic bowl. You do not wanna use any metals during this, okay? Don't use any type of metal bowls or mixing tools or anything like that. Actually, if you have something wood, I want to say that would be best, but I don't own anything wood, so I'm doing plastic, so it is what it is. But you don't want to use anything that can release any additional toxins because the whole point of this is to get the toxins out of our hair and our face, because you can use this on your face and your hair, so totally up to you. So I'm gonna go ahead and start by pouring some of these in the bowl. I think I kind of need a lot. I got a lot of hair, so I think I might almost even finish this thing. And then I'm gonna go ahead and pour some of the apple cider vinegar in it. Now, it's supposed to fizz up. So, oh yeah, it's fizzing. Y'all hear that? ASMR, Aztec Clay Edition. I'm gonna take this little thing that I used to use when I used to play around with weaves. I'm gonna mix that thing up. You want to get it to a good consistency. If you have like a squeezy tube bottle kind of thing, that'd be great because then you could just pour it in there and then it's so much easier to apply. This is a really, really messy kind of project here. This project is not the word I was looking for, but whatever. We're gonna go with project. I want to get it to a good consistency where it's easy to apply, but it's also not dripping everywhere. So I think that's a pretty good consistency right here. And then I'm just gonna start coating my hair with the mask. Make sure you get every strand. I don't know if you guys can tell, but you can already see my curls are like, hello, how's it going? Like, she's popping, I'm here, I have arrived. Do you guys see that? Like, the definition that I have right now, because there's nothing holding my curls down at all. Like, my curls is peeking through, and she's here, she's like, hello. If I can have hair products that do this to my hair, like, and that I don't have to rinse out, and it'll keep my hair like this, oh my gosh. So I'm pretty much going to continue to do this all over my head, and you guys can just watch and enjoy, and then we're gonna rinse this out, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Guys, I have finished applying the Aztec clay mask, and this is what my hair is looking like. It looks so good. I really wish this is how my wash and goes looked. It looks so freaking good. So as you guys can see, I've been meaning to tell you guys this. As you can see right here, I got heat damage in this one little part right here, and I think I got it on set when I was with a brand. Thank God this is the only place that I did get it. I think I'm just about to snip that part off. But yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and let this sit for a minute. When you're applying your Aztec clay mask, what you want to do is rinse it out as soon as it starts to get hard. The harder it is on your hair, the harder it's going to be to rinse out, okay? I'm going to tell you guys. One time I let it get way too hard, and rinsing it out was stressful. It would not come out. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this do its thing, rinse it out, and I'll show you guys what my curls look like after it's all out of my head. Alright guys, I have completely rinsed out the Aztec clay mask, and you guys can like really see how defined my curls are right now. Like, do you see this? They look so good. They're completely free of any product, toxins, dirt, anything like that. They look amazing. I'm really happy. My hair looks darker because all the product is gone. All the makeup is out of my edges because you guys know I wear makeup every day, and bronzer and foundation always gets in my edges, so my hair always looks a little bit lighter for that reason. But yeah, as you guys can see, my hair is looking good. It looks super defined, and it's ready to have a deep condition and style. So yeah guys, that's going to conclude this video. I hope you did learn from it. I hope it does help you. If you ever need a hair reset, a curl reset, go ahead and do an Aztec clay mask. You will notice a drastic difference on how your hair reacts when you are styling it. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Do not forget to subscribe on your way out. I love you so much, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.